Good morning, Atlantic Coast High School. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance and remain standing for a moment of silence. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. Please be seated. It's Tuesday, August 15th, and welcome to the Morning Raise. If you are in your first period class right now, you're in the right place. You'll stay there until about 8 o'clock before being dismissed to your fifth period class and then continuing on with the rest of your B-Day schedule. We hope day one wasn't too stressful for you, but in case you're still learning the layout of our school, here are some helpful hints. First of all, when you are reading your schedule, be sure to look for the room number, not the section number. The first number of the room number corresponds to the building it's in. If the last two digits are less than 20, then the classroom is downstairs. If the last two digits are higher than 20, then the classroom is upstairs. A reminder that cell phones are not allowed to be used in the classroom. Students are required to silence their phones and store them away during each and every period. After a verbal warning, cell phones will be confiscated by a support staff member. If this is the first offense, a student's cell phone will be returned to them after dismissal at 2 p.m. Any further infraction will result in requiring a parent or guardian to pick up the phone. Thank you for your cooperation. Are you a bus rider? If so, then listen up. A parent needs to register for a bus in Focus on your behalf. When that happens, you will know which bus to ride. Once you know that, here's how you can find your bus in the afternoon.
Hello, bus riding Stingrays. This is Mrs. Dixon and Mrs. Keene.
Coach Keene and John Brown.
And John Brown, telling you everything you need to know about riding the bus here at Atlantic Coast. First things first, when you come out to the bus area, you need to know what your bus number is. We don't know what your bus number is. We also don't know where buses pick up or drop off at. So you need to know your bus number so we can help you get on the right bus. The next thing when you come out here is you need to look at the bus board. You'll notice at the top, this side says sidewalk. This is the row that's closest to the sidewalk. This side says row 2. That's the other row on the other side of the row. And then in the middle are buses that have not yet arrived. So when you get out here, the first thing you need to do is look at the bus board and see if you can locate your number and see where it is. If you rode 674, for example, you'd see that it's over here and it's in the first row closest to the sidewalk. If you ride bus 194 today, you'll notice there's a number written next to it. That's because 917 is the physical bus that's here to drive the kids that normally ride bus 194. So when you ride this bus today, you will be looking for 917. That's it. Nothing crazy. Know your bus number. Check the board. If you have any questions, we can always help you. Don't be afraid to ask. Have a good day. Get home safely, Stingrays.
Tryouts for our swim and dive team will be tomorrow and Thursday. For those of you who are new to AC, we don't have a pool at school yet, so our tryouts will be at Sandalwood High School's pool on those days from 4 to 6 p.m. Please make plans for your own transportation to and from tryouts, and as with any sport, you need to have completed paperwork from a recent sports physical exam. That paperwork needs to be uploaded to athleticlearance.com before you will be allowed to participate in any team activities, including tryouts. Do you like Taylor Swift? Ice Pops? What about fish tacos? We're not sure what that has to do with boys and girls cross-country tryouts, but those tryouts will continue today and tomorrow at 6:30 p.m. All interested athletes should meet at the ACHS track and come dressed ready to run, and students should be hydrating throughout the day. If you have any questions or concerns, please see Coach Lee in the gym. Finally, the ACHS Community Service Crew provides opportunities to AC students to earn their service hours by working with local agencies that do it best, like Habitat for Humanity, Feeding Northeast Florida Food Bank, Peace of Heart Community Farm, and WJCT Public Television. Want to be a part of the crew this year? Come by Dr. Sun's room, 633, to pick up a permission form. Those are all the announcements for today. Have a great day and go Stingrays.